Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining us. Boy, did I have a treat for you. Today we have an exclusive interview with Black Friday. Black Friday, thank you so much for taking the time to sit down and talk with us.
Oh, of course, you're welcome, you're welcome. You know, it's my pleasure. I'll tell you what, I'd much rather be here than in a stinky tent parked outside of some random big box electronics store at 3 in the morning. I mean, we've all done that, right?
Stinky, huh? Well, anyways, let's jump right into it. Now, every year it seems like you get a really bad rap. I mean, on the nightly news, there's always stories about how you're, keeping people from Thanksgiving. You're causing, a major ruckus in the stores.
Whoa.
Let's get something
very clear here, all right? I don't make anybody do anything. So all of that hate has been misdirected at me. If you want to get upset at somebody, you really need to be picketing outside of these stores that open up on Thanksgiving. I mean, I catch so much unnecessary hate.
Wait. So to be clear, you don't endorse any of that.
What's my name?
I'm sorry?
What is my name?
Black Friday?
Black Friday, not Black Thursday. No. My father was not Mr. Black Thursday. No, he was Mr. Black J. Friday Sr. God rest his soul. We're not part of the Thursday family. So if you have a problem with this whole ruining Thanksgiving thing, you actually have a problem with my cousin, Mr. Greedy Thursday.
Wait, that cannot be real.
Oh, he's real, all right. He's as real as I am. Oh, and he's the absolute worst. I mean, he actually invented upcharging for guacamole. He's the reason you can't cancel your gym membership. And he actually designed the mac and cheese boxes with a little punch tab that doesn't even punch. And he hates HeatPressNation too, by the way.
Wait a second. So your cousin, Greedy Thursday, hates HeatPressNation?
Oh yeah. First of all, HeatPressNation starts their sale at the beginning of the month. So people have way more time to save money on their equipment. Now that's enough to make Greedy Thursday as angry as a pigeon with no car to poop on. But if that's not enough, you guys have the audacity to start dropping my major discounts a whole week early and then stack new deals every day to your sale. Ooh, that's so savage, man.
Well, we're not trying to be savage. We're just trying to get people good deals on high quality heat transfer equipment.
Oh yeah. Greedy Thursday hates HeatPressNation for the same reason that I love HeatPressNation. I mean, instead of bottling up all the deals and the craziness and the madness for one wild morning of just chaos, HeatPressNation starts the sale early with a fresh set of deals. And then you guys add new deals daily to give people more time to save money. Oh, and best of all, I love how people can just text the word Black Friday to 31592 to get the full list of deals, all of the items and prices and the days that they're added to the sale. I mean, it really, it's actually kind of beautiful when you think about it.
Honestly, we're just trying to... Shh. Well, I was just saying...
Shh. No words. I know that you know that I know how you feel about me.
Well, look at the time, we got to get going here. Thank you so much, Black Friday, for taking the time to stop by and talk with us today.
Oh, sure. Yeah, thanks for having me. Funny enough, I got to get out of here too. I'm doing Rogan later.